Good evening, valued viewers, and thank you for tuning in to Beyond the News. I am Carrie Ann Brown. In a tragic incident that occurred late Wednesday, a soldier was fatally shot by unknown gunmen in the Papine area of St. Andrew. The victim has been identified as 46-year-old Dane Simon, a resident of Spanish Town. According to reports, Simon was off duty and driving a taxi when he took a turn and was shot in the back of his head. The attackers fled the scene, leaving Simon to succumb to his injuries. Authorities were alerted and arrived at the location where Simon's body was discovered. The JCF are currently investigating the incident, and anyone with information related to the crime is urged to come forward and assist the authorities. Our hearts go out to Simon's loved ones during this difficult time, and we hope that those responsible for the senseless act are brought to justice swiftly. Stay up to date with the latest news and find solutions to current issues by following Beyond the News on Instagram and YouTube. Our concise, step-by-step approach to news reporting offers solutions to the challenges we face today. Join our community to stay informed and engaged.